The Sender, Realtors property video is presented by Pam Yungblut. Investor opportunity. Large home sold as is. Seller will accept offers and decide within 3 days of listing. The handicap ramp is in garage to home and in the rear. There is a 2-car garage attached, and in the rear is another 2-car garage that could be a great shop. This home is located on a corner lot and great area in Baird. Property could be remodeled and possibly made into a duplex. Lots of opportunity. Sold as is, no survey, condition of window units and heat source unknown. For more information, review the details below.